Lens formula, this is convex lens, pole, focus, double the focus, focus, double the focus. I kept object here, this is OO dash. The parallel ray strikes the convex lens and passing through the focus, this is the ray, and a ray undeviated through pole passing this way. So here the image forms II dash. I have drawn separately these triangles OO dash P and PII dash here, and PP dash F1 and II dash here. So these both are similar triangles. So from properties of similar triangles, we can write OO dash by II dash is equal to PO by PI. In the same way, here also we can write PP dash by II dash is equal to PF1 by F1I. But we can see OO dash is equal to PP dash. Then we can convert this into PP dash by II dash is equal to PO by PI. From 1 and 2, we can write PO by PI is equal to PF1 by F1I. Then apply sign convention. See, this is the object distance, that is PO, U. This is the image distance between P and I, that is V. So this is the focal length, the length between P and F1. But we are measuring the object distance against the incident ray. So we have to take object distance is negative, and image distance is measuring in the way of incident ray. Then we can take V. And focal length also measuring in the way of incident ray. Then you can take focal length is F positive. But this distance P and I is V, that is image distance, and focal length is P and F1. So you can get F1I is the V minus F. Now substitute in 3, you can get 1 by V minus U, 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. This is the lens formula.